ganun reaction eh. Nice view! Hi, good morning mga pards. Maaga na naman tayo. And we are off for another adventure dito sa Palawan. Dati nag-ride tayo from Palawan to Puerto Princesa. And now ride tayo papuntang El Nido. At marami tayong riders. Lumiliwanag na. Ayan ang ride natin. Actually hindi pala ito. Si JC Santos gagamit nito. Okay. Till we meet again. As usual sa mga ride natin, madilim pa. Good morning El Nido. So first to arrive tayo, and then settle down. Yan, dyan tayo mag-meet up together with our riders dito sa El Nido. Tara, pasok na muna tayo. Pakita ko sa iyo loob ng showroom. At syempre yung mga motorsiklo. Oh, nice. May kape na. Okay. So makikita nyo, they have CF Motos here, Triumph, Royal Enfields, Lambretta, and Aprilia. At kung ano-ano pa mga motor. Sige, settle down na muna tayo. For creations, we have Mr. Melvin Joseph. He will be joining the ride as well. Also, we have Dr. Mariel Katigba. And of course, we have our ambassador for UNMR. We have Mr. JC Santos.
Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Yeah. Ikembot mo. Yeah. Ikembot mo.
Don't look at the past. No, we're not going there.
Ito yung pampagana sa umaga. So, pandesal, kape, Pinoy na Pinoy, di ba? Tapos may siyempre, meron akong Sharon. Sharon for today. Bakit? Ano to eh? Ito yung energy bar ko. Kumbaga sa pag-ride, wala akong dudukot. Baka mahuli mo ako.
paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
What's up guys? How are you guys? Okay, di ba kayo
Kasi humabol na humabol.
Turn it up, don't turn it off. Turn me round, put me in my place. From there, I can see it all, so beautiful. The world is turning fast. Got too many plans, but your eyes found mine, and I said, there's a record spinning in my mind, with scratches on the B-side. You're a record spinning in my mind.
Diretso tayo, ikot tayo ng airport.
And drop the needle and dance me to the other side. And from there we can fly into the 80s, Brooklyn to LA. Our hands in the air, our hands in the air. There's a record spinning in my mind, with scratches on the B-side. You're a record spinning in my mind.
Hindi ka naman masyado nagigil.
Gigil? Lagi ako gigil.
Okay, hi. How are you? Okay. Great. Everything good? Everything good?
Yeah.
Okay. Mga sir, iwan na ng gamit and then pasok na tayo sa loob para ano? Para makapag-freshen up na and hydrate. Mamaya, mamamasyal tayo mamaya.
And I will order today. Maybe later. I want to order a 10.
Record spinning in my mind, spinning in my mind, spinning in my mind.
Yun, no? So, he will be assembling sa tabing dagat for a special project. Ano, Eric? Ano, wala ka na video na pa? We are at Hotel Elizabeth na. Ang ganda ng mga rooms nila, oh. Mas maganda siyang tingnan sa actual. Sa picture, akala mo luma. Hindi naman pala, oh. Yan, oh. May infinity pool sila. Yan ang beach. Oh.
Mamaya sagol lang yan.
Doon tayo may shade. Doon tayo mag-assemble. Okay. This is the Long Beach. Once again, we are back. Di ba? Haba nito. 14 kilometers to. Hanggang doon. Doon tayo galing dati. Ano bro? Ayos bro? Ayos. Ay, tiki dali. First, I'll have 5. Muna dito 5. Dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. And then...
Say hi, wow.
Okay.
We're live. Boss.
Okay, so that's one. Yes. Actually, it's like this. Double head. Okay, we're all good. Sige po, i-video muna siya. Malapit lang yan.
Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out.
So yun mga pards, ang init. Closing lang kami para sa video shoot with Mr. JC Santos. Ang ganda ng dagat dito, lawak. Init. Init. Pero masaya. Pero naliligo ako sa pause. So, anytime soon we will be ending our ride na at pumalik na tayo kami sa base. Some of the guys, they will be returning back to El Nido, and then kami, pabalik kami ng or papunta kami ng Puerto. Doon ako matutulog at flight ko na bukas. That was a hot and cool experience. I don't know if that makes sense. Artista. Hindi naman. Sa picture akala mo kasi luma na dahil...
Well, unang ginawa daw yan.
Kaya
Ito, mas
bago. Industrial type, no?
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this ocean. Everything is growing up.
Good, good. Hindi naman ako na. Ano yun? Pag mga ganun reaction eh. Nice view! Ihihihi! Ihihihi! Buti nakita ko kayo nakalambas! Ihihihi! Parang nirat-rat nyo pa yata ah. This is a nice place, Flo.
Yeah?
Good place. I've been seeing this in YouTube videos. The Bato ni Ningning, right?
I know Beautech.
Ah, on view there.
Beautech
Sandvik view there.
Some view, yeah, some Beautech.
So tumaas tayo ng konti. Good. Yan, tapusin natin yung video shoot. It's the Sandvik viewpoint. Kita nyo naman kung saan. That's the Long Beach ng San Vicente. Ganda dito. Balik tayo kasama ang tatay naman. Wow. Sulit! Picture tayo. Diretso, straight. Wow, there's a trail. Kayang motor dyan? Uy, Rani, dito Rani. Tayo ka dito Rani, oh. Tatayo ka dyan, tapos kita yung view. Yan, there you go. Oh, yan oh. Oh. Oo, yan oh, mas magandang brand daw yan. This ends our ride mga pards. Ending our ride at San Vicente View Deck. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Ang ganda. Okay, this ends our ride. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated kayo sa mga videos at adventures natin. That's it for today mga parts. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video natin today at lagi natin tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa motor, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both. Lobat na nga siya. So yung araw, yan o.
Tumatakbo pa na yan mo?
Ano, GoPro? Minsan, pinapatay ko. Pero sobrang ingay nito, sa sobrang ingay ng pipe, hindi ko marinig.